Alright, so I'm over here at the shop right now, and I'm packing up all of the first orders for the merch drop that we released for the 2JZ giveaway. And, well, it's a long process, so I'm over here getting it all figured out and basically figuring out the ins and outs of the shipping process. And while we're waiting, there's a 1UZ that's being delivered to me right now. So I'm going to be taking delivery of that in an LS400 whenever the guy pulls up here. And I'm pretty sure he's strap towing it, so it's very, like, Florida type stuff, you know what I'm saying? So I'll let you guys know when he gets here.
I would say if all of us pushed it, so one on each side, we can balance it and just pull it.
So if you can see here, Nick's using a Big Joe to push a 500-pound piece of metal. Yeah, so yeah, we're doing this.
Making a nice fan table.
That's what's up, boys. Light work. Light work. Alright, so Josh and I are over at the shop right now doing a little bit of work. I'm currently rebuilding a turbo, and Josh is packing up all the orders for the 2J giveaway. So I went ahead and got my 4AN line kit from Amazon, and I mounted it onto here, and I think I'm going to route it down underneath the turbo line. I might pull a little bit of slack back and zip tie it to these, just so it's out of the way. I got some P-clamps on here supplied by my boy Drift Rod. And then I got it routed over here over to the intake manifold. I'm gonna cut it down in there towards the sandwich plate. The sandwich plate nut is a 25 or a 26 millimeter, and the Harbor Freight impact socket set that I have conveniently doesn't come with a 25 or a 26 millimeter. So I'm gonna have to wait for Nick to get here. Let's see if Twitch has the socket. Hello, sir.
Sir, this is a private establishment.
Oh no!
No, it's okay.
You got a socket for this?
Socket? I can check.
All right, let's see what he's got.
I think like a 6.27 should be fine. Do you have sealer?
What do you mean
Or
sealer?
like, is this UNF? What goes on here?
It's for an oil sandwich plate.
See.
Yep.
So I would use.
The 27 star point don't work. I already tried to use that on the one on the car. Slipped right over it.
I don't see that slipping.
Well, I'll give it a shot with that one then.
I'd give it a shot with this.
All right. Did you get it?
I think so.
Jeez.
Oh shit.
Is that Bean? Hello. What's that? My high pass filters for the JZX. Thank you. How are ya? Good. Good. That man, Twitch Master Flex, just stopped by and gave me a waffle from Waffle House. How clutch is that? Look at that. Syrup too, and butter. I'm gonna destroy this thing. The car here, there's nothing useful inside of it except for the 1UZ. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it all ready to pull out today, and I might pull it out depending on, well, a couple different things. Depends on how easy it all is to get it all undone, but I've got a majority of it out already. I've already got the harness pulled, started pulling out everything on this side, and then I just gotta figure out what the easiest method to remove the engine mounts are. Shouldn't be too hard. We'll see what happens. Corey and I are headed over to the junkyard right now. We're gonna go drop off this LS400. Nick actually runs the junkyard, so it kind of works out well. because yeah, he gets us a better deal on the weight and all that stuff. So yeah, gonna go get rid of this car now that we got the engine out of it and the seat belts that are worth like $200. Alright, so we got 176 bucks for the LS400. So
We're
that's
rich.
Yeah, we're rich. We did good. So that means I got the one UZ for like 126 bucks or 127
Wait.
bucks.
I have to minus 20 though because I paid the guy $20 to smash it,
He did. So I owe him 10 bucks.
and it was worth it. You don't owe me for that. That was for my own enjoyment.
Well, I got content off it, so. Nah, that was fun though. That's cool. Cheap one UZ. And we recouped the investment. And also, thank you, Nick. Well, that's all she wrote on the one UZ. So I got it all pulled out of the car. I got it all brought into the shop. And well, that's it. So at a later date, I'm going to be pulling apart the one UZ, and I'm probably going to refresh it and put it in like a Cressida. Because I have a Cressida that I want to put a V8 in. So that'll probably be what it goes in. But I just want to keep you guys up to date and make another YouTube video because you guys have been asking me to make YouTube videos, and I figured what better way than to just start making YouTube videos. So today I got off work and I pulled the one UZ out of the LS400, and I'm going to go to bed now. But I started getting the orders packed up for you guys for the 2J giveaway. If you don't know about the 2J giveaway, go over to my Instagram and look for my pinned post, and you'll find all the information. I haven't made an official giveaway announcement here on YouTube yet, but it is active, so you can buy my merchandise and you can get entered into the giveaway, and you might just win a 2J. So y'all have a great night, and I'll see you in the next video.